This is a 3-in-1 Stapless Stapler. The word Stapless caught my attention and made me grab it and buy it because I was curious about how this stapler works. But before we begin, please like and subscribe to my channel. I bought this item at Popular, a local shop in my area, for 29 ringgit and 90 cents. It mentions that it has additional functions, a punch and a letter opener. Let's take a look at them. The instructions are in Japanese. While I don't know how to read Japanese, the pictures help to give clear instructions on how to use the item. This is the blade for the letter opener. This is the hole puncher. This is the lock for the stapler. Let's try all the functions on a piece of paper. Fold the paper in half. And let's cut it using the letter opener. Well, it cuts quite well. Now, let's try the hole puncher. Make sure the paper is inserted up to this point. Then, press down on the push button here. It works well. Lastly, let's try the Stapless Stapler, the function I'm so curious about. Well, this is how this stapler works. Overall, I'm pretty satisfied with this 3-in-1 Stapless Stapler. I highly recommend it for office use.